How to add friends on KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can add friends on KakaoTalk. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open the KakaoTalk application on your device. Now, once you are logged in, you can see the invite friends to KakaoTalk options right here. In order to add more friends, you can just tap on invite friends, tap on it. Now you can invite friends via SMS or other apps and send invitations by sending the link to them. Like you can just send a link to them, tap on one chat and just send the invitation like this, tap on send, and they will be sent an invitation link like this, and they can click on the link and open it and add you back. This is how you can add friends on KakaoTalk. That's it. This is how you can add friends on KakaoTalk. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.